With an Intel Core i7 processor, Nvidia RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics and a 240Hz display, but most of this article applies to the other configurations as well. Furthermore, we'll also update the article once we get to test the 2060/144Hz screen model, which is the best value option currently available for $1,200 in the US and under €1,400 here in Europe. Design and exterior. The 2020 Helios 300 is built on the same chassis as the 2019 version, but with a few tweaks among them. There's a new set of air intake grills above the keyboard which add up to the existing thermal design and further facilitate fresh air intake, and also a slight I/O rearrangement. Keyboard and trackpad inputs haven't changed between the 2019 and 2020 generations either, so there's plenty of info about them online. This is a fine typer, yet not necessarily one of my favorites. I'm seeing a fair amount of inconsistency between these keyboards that Acer put on their laptops. For instance, this one here looks identical to the one on the Trion 300, yet it felt different, softer and quicker to actuate, which for me resulted in a higher error rate. Screen. For the screen, Acer offers either 144Hz or 240Hz panels on the 2020 Predator Helios 300 lineup, both 15.6 inches in size, FHD in resolution, matte and non-touch. Got the 240Hz variant on our test unit, the one reserved for the higher tier configurations, and it's a solid option for gaming and daily use.